installment of the sex series. Last week I showed you how to make a sex on the beach, a sex in the dunes. On Wednesday I showed you how to make a sex in the woods. Now tonight I'm showing you how to make a sex in the driveway. Now this drink is incredibly easy to make. You just build it directly into the glass. In terms of ingredients, what you need is vodka, peach schnapps, blue Curaçao. I say Curaçao, but I've heard other people say Curaçao. I'm gonna blame the Aussie accent, Curaçao. You'll need some lemonade, and you'll also need a fresh lemon to garnish. I've already pre-cut some lemon slices a little bit earlier. All right, so let's get on with making this drink. First thing I wanna do is add 1 shot of blue Curaçao, 1 shot of peach schnapps, and 2 shots of vodka. Obviously, this drink has a lot of booze in it, so I'm using plenty of ice tonight, and I'm gonna use the whole entire can of Sprite. Now, before I add the ice, I just wanna add a little bit of lemonade to get the party started. And when I say that, to start mixing it through. Alright, so I'll give that a bit of a stir. Now I'm gonna add plenty of ice. I'll add some more lemonade. Excellent. And now I'm just gonna garnish with my fresh lemon slices. So I'm actually gonna put a few in there. Really make this sing. And there we have it. This is a sex in the driveway. Cheers. That is so yummy. You've got the peach and the citrus and the lemonade in there. It's light, it's fresh, incredibly easy to drink. Watch out, this has 4 shots of alcohol in it, so you could drink 2 or 3 of these, even 4 of these, and be making maybe not some great decisions. But honestly, a really lovely drink. It's not cool, I know that, but it tastes amazing. All right guys, well, enjoy your sex in the driveway tonight. I'll catch you next Wednesday for another sex cocktail episode. See you then. Bye.